Understanding, leave to chance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, leave to chance. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of English culture and expressions. Let's explore what it means to leave something to chance, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, leave to chance, is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to allow something to happen without trying to control the outcome. When someone decides not to plan or influence a situation, but rather lets things happen as they may, they are leaving it to chance. It's often used in situations where people prefer to rely on luck or fate instead of taking deliberate actions. To better understand, leave to chance, let's look at some examples. 1. If you don't study for the test, you're leaving your grade to chance. 2. We decided not to make a reservation at the restaurant and just leave it to chance. In these examples, you can see how the phrase is used to describe situations where control is either relinquished or not exerted at all, relying instead on how things naturally unfold. When using leave to chance, keep these points in mind. It's typically used in situations where risk is involved. The phrase can have a neutral, positive, or negative connotation depending on the context. It's often used in casual or conversational English. One common misconception is that leave to chance always has a negative connotation, implying negligence or irresponsibility. However, this isn't always true. In some contexts, leaving things to chance can be a strategic choice or a way to embrace spontaneity. In conclusion, leave to chance is a versatile phrase in the English language that reflects an attitude of letting things happen without trying to control them. It's a useful expression that can add nuance to your conversations. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.